Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release a crochet tutorial every week. In this week I'm bringing to you a giveaway. So I'm finally getting around to celebrating 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You don't know how much it means to me. It means so much to me that you subscribe to my channel and that you enjoy my videos and you leave me wonderful comments. So thank you so much. So I wanted to celebrate 20,000 subscribers. I have been really busy recently. Obviously I have a toddler, so sometimes it's quite hard to juggle a job and a toddler, but it's fine. I'm just super busy most of the time. So here I am a month later celebrating my 20,000 subscriber count. So yes, thank you so much for your support. So I'm celebrating you in this giveaway. So this giveaway is going to, there will be two winners. So the first winner, because there will be two winners for, there will be two prizes, two different prizes for this giveaway. So the first prize is the entire kit to crochet this cardigan. So you will be winning 8 skeins of the duck egg blue Paintbox Simply Chunky yarn to crochet the cardigan in the size of your preference. You will be receiving 2 skeins of the champagne white for the flowers. You will be receiving this beautiful Etimo crochet hook. This is my absolute favorite crochet hook. It's perfect. It's handmade in Japan. If you are interested in this crochet hook, I will be linking in the description box the link to purchase it, but you will be winning it in the kit to crochet this cardigan. And you will also be winning the free pattern, of course, and also the first prize will also comprise 5 free patterns from my Etsy shop. So the winner will receive the kit, and also you will receive 5 patterns from my Etsy shop directly to your inbox. So yes, so that's the first winner, and you will be able to choose which pattern you want from my Etsy shop. So you would win the kit, I would send that to you to your address, and then you would win also 5 Etsy patterns of your preference, and the second winner will be winning 5 free patterns from my Etsy shop, again of your choice. So you would just browse my shop, let me know which of the 5 patterns you want, and then I would directly send those to your inbox. So yes, so the giveaway will take place this week. All the exact details and dates will be in the description box, because at the time of filming this video I have not consulted my calendar yet. And to participate in this giveaway, it's very simple. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment in the comment section of this video, and that's it. That's all you need to do, is subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment, and I will select a commentator at random. Once the giveaway has closed, I will be going onto one of those machines on the internet and drawing a winner, a number randomly. So that's what I would do, and the winner will be contacted, and obviously there will be 2 winners, so both winners will be contacted, and I will let everyone know in next week's video. So next Thursday I will be writing down the name of the winners on my next video in the description box, and I will also let you know in the comment section of this video who's won. So yes, so don't forget to participate. It's really easy. I hope you enjoy this giveaway. Let me know in the comment section if you like the prizes and the cardigan. Don't forget to check out the video for this cardigan. It's amazing. I will be linking it here and in the down bar. And I hope you enjoy this giveaway. Once again, thank you so much for supporting my channel. It means the world to me. And also this giveaway is open worldwide, so yes, I will be sending the prize to anywhere in the world that you may live in, so not to worry. So I hope you enjoy this giveaway. Don't forget to leave me a comment so that you are in for a chance of winning either of those prizes. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support, and yeah, see you in my next video.